Laura.
Good morning. Well, I am the bearer of some good news. There is some rain around this morning. It is set to clear, and then the outlook is pretty good. Day on day, temperatures set to soar back into the 30s as we head towards the end of the week. So the heat wave looks like it's set to return. I'll have all the details in about 20 minutes' time. And it is looking like a bit of a soggy start this morning. There's some rain around, but things will slowly brighten up and warm up too, as they will as we head through this week. Now, the jet stream that, as we've been talking about, is the divide between the cold and the warm, moves northwards, and it allows this orange air to slowly creep across the UK. Well, actually, the weather, like we know from last week, the heat and the humidity actually will be climbing back again as we head through this week. Perhaps not the dizzy heights that they'll be seeing in Mallorca, but it won't be far off. Now, the yellows and the oranges that we have with us on the map, strictly, we're pitching her for this year, don't you think, Laura?
What's your move around this weather map right now?
Well, I mean, the only hope is that we could get further than Charlotte.
Oh, that's not
well, that won't.
To the weather plasma. That's pretty much all I can do. Because actually, the weather actually is hotting up. Maybe a bit of a fiesta for many of us as temperatures are set to soar as we head into the weekend, reminiscent of the heat wave we had last week. Here's the details. The strangest throw ever. It is gonna rain. Yes, there is some rain around in the forecast. At the moment across the southeast, it will quickly clear and actually a pretty decent day. But the rain is heavy right. Good morning. Well, I'm slightly distracted by the semi-naked men in the studio. Maybe want to put on a little more clothes than they're wearing outside today. It is not that warm, but there is some wet weather around, so perhaps not the day to cycle to work this morning, particularly for East Anglia and the southeast. But this is the soggy start this morning. Parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia, the southeast of England have got some heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms that will quickly clear. Elsewhere, some rain making its way into Northern Ireland. So it really is a reverse of fortunes for some this morning, because after a wet start in the southeast, by around about 9:30 this morning, it will have cleared the Norfolk coast. Then sunnier skies develop for England and Wales with temperatures into the mid-20s. Scotland and Northern Ireland a dry start, but cloud and rain will move into you, turning wetter, windier and a cool afternoon here. But in the south, top temperatures of 25 or 26 degrees. And then, we've been talking about it for a while now. After the wet weekend, the breakdown to our heat wave, temperatures set to climb, thankfully, through the week.